Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 1st, 2021. This is going to be our Terra Luna price prediction. We want to know if Terra is about to blast off into higher prices. You guys can tell from our price chart that we already did a price prediction in Terra Luna. And look at it. The price went against our price prediction. So I wanted to break that down. And then after I break down what happened against our last price prediction, then I'm going to give you all a heads up as to where I'm expecting the market to go into the future so that we can see, if not, Terra Luna is going to continue to move up higher in price. So again, if you guys want to join this channel, guess what? The doors are open. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap in with me. If you guys want to learn more about how to predict price movement way before anyone else understands where the market is going to go, you're at a great spot. We welcome you. So welcome to the team. So now let me talk about what happened in Terra Luna's price against our last price prediction. It was on September the 22nd. We told you in that video that we were seeing some weakness involved into the market in Terra Luna. Now take a look. We really wasn't expecting the market in Terra Luna to crash, right? We still saw that the market support in Terra Luna was around $24. And the price has literally sustained that price level, and we've been trading above that number for a very long time. That's going to be very important as we continue to see this market in Terra Luna trade throughout the month of October. So remember, $24 is going to be very important for this price progression in Terra Luna to continue to go up. Okay. Now, obviously, the market strength came in and overwhelmed the weakness. None of the weakness that we saw on that particular day came to pass. So yeah, we didn't get this price prediction correct on our last video on September 22nd. We give this opportunity to the trap. He beat us. He got us. He tricked us into thinking that the market in Terra Luna was going to go down, and instead it went up. We give him this one. But we're going to make sure that we get in position on the next go around to make sure that we beat him going forward. All right, so check this out. If you were to get out the market right now with Terra Luna, we'll be down around 41%. Right? It kind of gives you the magnitude of how strong this market really is in Terra Luna for us to be down 41% since September 22nd. Right? That's how strong this market has been going up in price. Cool. Let me go ahead and get rid of it. And let's go ahead and make sure we try to get them soldiers right back and put it right back into our account going forward. All right. So now check this out. You guys can tell that we've identified an area of consolidation in the market in Terra Luna. Right? We were expecting the market to bounce in between these two lines. You guys can currently tell that the market is actually breaking outside of our consolidational range, which is a pretty good thing, right? In order for this market to blast off, for it to really rally and continue to go higher in price, it needed to do that. And yesterday, the market actually broke outside of our consolidational range, which is good to see. All right. So now let me take all of these lines off. And then I want to show you a different time frame to see if we get the same type of strength as what we're seeing on the daily time frame. So let's take a look real quick on the 3-day time frame into the market in Terra Luna. You guys can really tell that this market in Terra Luna is massively giving us a lot of strength. There's some other altcoins, cryptocurrencies in the market today that's not really this strong. Terra Luna is probably one of the strongest altcoins or cryptocurrencies in the market right now. Because even amongst all of the weakness that we saw in Terra Luna during the month of September has literally been erased. The market has consumed up whoever sold their Terra Luna into the market. We were still able to see the market go up higher in price, and we're still trending towards all-time highs right now, which is very positive. We need to see this. And the daily time frame, the 3-day price bar, is all showing us the same type of information. The market is looking strong. Okay. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Now, what I wanted to do, I wanted to get rid of one of these horizontal lines and actually show you what the trend is in the market in Terra Luna. Just check this out. We don't need to have any technical indicators on our chart just to understand what the market is trying to do. Take a look at this. Okay, look at this. This is the trend into the market in Terra Luna right there. Right? And you can see that there's a very small window to where the market in Terra Luna broke below our ascending line, right? Just a small window. We came down, we cracked that ascending line, but immediately the next 3 days, the market came right back up above that ascending line. Again, that's another indication that the market is strong in Terra Luna. The market is not trying to give us any lies. It's not telling us any stories. This is the actual factual truth, what the market is trying to do, where it's trying to go, right? And you guys can see since this particular 3-day price bar that started on September the 22nd, the market has been able to sustain its price. We haven't seen another decrease back down to that ascending line, and we have not broken it since then. So this is very positive in the sense to see Terra Luna continue to go up higher in price. Very good to see. What about on the weekly time frame? Right, check this out. We all know, if you guys have been a subscriber of this particular channel, you know that as long as this price continues to trade to the top of this ascending line, we will go up forever. That's simple, right? We can expect the price to go up in Terra Luna. And so far, the market strength is still here. Now, I need to keep it real. I need to show you some areas that we need to see price overcome in order for us to see all-time highs, right? And you should be able to see it right now on this weekly time frame, right? You can see it right here. This is where the issue is. This is where the problem is in the market in Terra Luna for us to make all-time highs. If we're able to crack that $40 price level to the upside, guess what? The market is going to try to obtain another gist at all-time highs. It's going to try to make all-time highs is what I'm trying to tell you. I'm already seeing that. Once this price in Terra Luna breaks $40 to the upside, expect this market to try to make all-time highs. It's just that simple. Okay. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. You now know that. I wanted to show you all that so you guys can be prepared, so you all can see where the trick is that the market is going to try to show us in regards to how we won't be able to move higher price. Is right there at $40. Okay. So now let me go ahead and show you all the 3 months time frame real quick. And you guys can see, take a look at the last 3 months in Terra Luna. Look at that. The last 3 months from July, August, and September, we saw the price in Terra Luna go from $6 in July all the way up there to $40, $45 in September. That is massively strong for Terra Luna. Massively strong. So the expectation over the next 3 months will still be that the price in Terra Luna is going to go up, right? That's what we're looking forward to. So now let me go ahead and do this, because we're going to play the strength into the market. This is going to be our newest price prediction. We appreciate all the information that the trap has given us, because we can actually use this for our own benefit without being confused, without giving you no analytical, complex, fundamental analysis, none of that. We don't need none of that. Only thing we need is this price chart. So this is it. We're playing the strength into the market in Terra Luna. And I'm definitely going to be paying attention to any bouts of weakness or movement to the downside, right? Definitely need to pay attention to this market price coming down and continuing to hold that ascending line, because if we ever break that ascending line again, the second time, we're going to start a consolidation of trading range. Again, I'm telling you that right now. Okay. But until that time, this is what I'm looking forward to. So now, right up here is the all-time high. Okay. On September the 11th, 17.61%. We're going to TP out the market first of all at 40. Because you guys remember, I told you that that area was really impacting the price movement higher for Terra Luna. So we need to come in and TP out the market around 40. I'm just going to keep it real, because we can still see that market get rejected at 40 and come back down. So that's around 2.66%, which is cool. We'll eat off the market for that, because we definitely want to make sure we get out the way of the market going down. So we need to take the bag right before it does that. All right. So that's the first level of TP for us to eat. Second area is going to be up here towards, let me put this on the hourly. I want us to see the next area of restriction. Yeah, the next area is going to be up there towards the all-time high area for us to do the second level of TP. All right, so we got $40 first. Then the second area is going to be up there towards 45. All right, so this is it. This is our updated price prediction into the market in Terra Luna. And man, this market is really strong. I like it. I definitely see from the varying time frames that this price in Terra Luna wants to continue to go up. So that's the way we're going to follow. We appreciate the trap giving us this information, because if we actually just take the time to digest what these price bars and volume mean, you can actually kick back and just smile, because you know that there's hundreds of thousands of people out here trying to understand where price is going to go. Well, we already know, where we already can see the gist as to what this price is trying to do. So I want to tell you all, welcome to the team. Now, if you want to learn more, take this opportunity out to call the markets right alongside with me. You saw the same type of information that I provided on this video. Now I want to know, give me your price prediction. I mean, are you still seeing the strength? Are you seeing the weakness? What is your expectation of Terra Luna in the next 3 weeks? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.